How to delete multiple tabs or sheets in Google Sheets. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect way. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay, let me take the new file, new sheet. So I will show you the proper. Okay, so now you can see I have only one sheet here or tab, so I just create the multiple to show you. Okay, so you can see currently we have 12 sheets. So there is a two method you can delete the sheet as per your requirement. You can use these methods. The first method is you can delete the sheet between. Okay, so if you have 12 sheet and if you want to delete for sheet number 1, sheet number 4 or 7 and 10, you can delete it at once. What you need to do, just select the first sheet. Now hit the control button, hit and hold it, then select the any sheet between, and now just hold right click on any selected sheet and go to the delete. Then the selected file will be deleted, sheet will be deleted. Or if you want to delete all sheet at once in one line, then select the first sheet, then hit the shift button and hold it and select the last sheet. Then all tabs will be select like this. Now right click on any one and just go to the delete. Okay, that is how you can delete the sheet, multiple sheet at once in my Google Sheet. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.